Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be testing out this Modelones 24 color acrylic powder kit. You obviously get your acrylic powders. It also comes with a pretty large instruction manual as well as a free gift coupon. Now when you open the manual, it gives you tips and tricks. It tells you how to prep your nails, how to remove the acrylic, and also how to apply acrylic, which I thought was really nice. And then you get these beautiful colors. Like, look at how amazing these colors are. I was literally so obsessed. Okay, and so I went ahead and did all the swatches off camera because I started to do them on camera and it was just taking so freaking long. So I figured, why not just show you guys the end results. The monomer I used to achieve these swatches, I think is the Young Nails monomer, and I really love how these powders apply. They worked so good. Today we're not going to be applying them as traditional acrylic, but if you guys do want to see me use regular acrylic method in a video, definitely let me know down below because I do not mind doing it. But yeah, look at these colors, like so many different colors, so many yellows, oranges, blues. I was so impressed with the colors in this kit. Okay guys, so I decided to do a dip style nail today with using dip liquids with acrylic powder, not dip powder. So I decided I'm going to prime my nails today with the Modelones peel off top coat or peel off base coat gel. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a peel off base coat. So I'm literally just going to go ahead and apply 2 coats, and I do let this dry in between because this is almost like a glue, like a traditional glue. So you want to wait for that purple blue shade to kind of disappear into clear, and that's how you know that these are dry. Now this was my first time trying this out, so I will be showing you guys at the end whether or not I thought it was easy to take the nails off or not. So definitely, if you're interested in this, then stay tuned to the end. I mean, as you should. You know, you're already here, you might as well stay to the end. And excuse my voice, it's so raspy, you guys. Like, I think my allergies are coming in, and yeah, I'm not ready. So I went ahead and put on some full cover nail tips, and I just put these on with regular nail glue. I used the iGel Beauty nail glue to glue these on, and yeah, these are the colors that I'll be using for today's video. So I'm going to start off with my step 1, and this is the base. So this is pretty much like a nail glue / nail resin, and this is how we're going to build our nails. When I do dip nails, I really try to make sure they're not going to be too bulk for me. When I first started doing dip nails, that was a huge issue for me, was making them too thick and chunky. So now I just try not to do too much. I try to do at least 2 layers and then one encapsulate it with clear, and that's pretty much all I do. If you need your nails to be a little bit sturdier, definitely apply as many coats as you like. To make sure these colors are super pigmented, I'm taking that really like soft bone color. It's not quite white because it has a little bit of a different undertone, and I'm literally just going to pour it on top, and then I will pour out the excess. After I did all my nails, this is what the nails look like with 1 coat. And now I'm going to show you guys the tie-dye method that I'm doing for today's video. As you guys can see, I am working with 6 different colors. And you can do this with any colors that you like. I was just feeling super summery today for some reason, and I really wanted them to be like just bright and long and orange and pink and yellow. I could not decide, so these are my favorite shades of like the yellows and oranges. So I'm doing the same thing, and I'm literally just going to apply my base on top of that. And I did go ahead and brush away the excess powder. Then I'm taking just a small kind of fluffy brush, and I'm just going to tap the colors on randomly. I have no rhyme or reason for how I'm doing things. I would recommend, if you're worried about mixing your colors together, definitely wipe off your brush in between colors. But also, as you guys will see, I'm just going over the container to prevent waste. But if you're not too worried about waste, do it over top of a little tray like the one I have, and that way you can kind of get a, just, I don't know how to explain it. You can kind of just make a mess, and it's not really a big deal. And you guys, this was trial and error. This is my first time doing this with dip powder, so please don't come for me. You guys know I only work with dip powder like once in a blue moon, so yeah. As you guys will see, it got mixed in there, but because of the color and how pigmented these colors are, I just mixed it right in, and it literally made no difference. And once I'm done, I just tap it over, and literally look, it looks crazy at first. I promise it will look a little bit different at the end. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same exact thing for the rest of the nails. I don't do any particular pattern for this. I pretty much just do whatever colors I'm feeling. If you wanted to, once you get enough powder in your little container, you can even dip your nails into that or pour that over top of your nails. It's completely up to you. This was actually a lot of fun and super duper quick, which is one reason why I love dip powder, because it actually is so fast. But yeah, these acrylic powders worked really well for this. The difference between dip and acrylic is that dip powders are just a little bit more finely milled than traditional acrylic powders. But I found that these powders were very soft and very finely milled. They were not coarse, they weren't chunky. They were actually really, really nice. This is not my first time working with Modelones acrylic powders. I'm very familiar with them, and yeah, I was obsessed. This quality was amazing. The pigmentation was amazing, and yeah, when you see that first nail, you're probably like, what are we doing here? But I promise you guys, it's all gonna come together. Don't worry. At least I think it came together. I don't know. Please don't drag me. And yeah, we're just going to keep doing that. I'm going to come back when we're finished and we're ready to do our second layer. Okay, so now that that first layer is on, I am going to go ahead and just apply my second layer. If you love how the pattern turned out, you can pretty much just put the same colors in the exact same places. I felt like mine was cute, but it wasn't quite exactly what I wanted. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply these in a little bit more of a different manner. That way I can kind of feel like all the colors are mixed, as instead of being so separate, if that makes any sense. But if you like how it turned out the first time, definitely just repeat the colors in the same exact places. And you'll see that I have a little gap in where there isn't much color. So I'm just going to put on the most pigmented color because I know that color is going to show through. And guys, this is how they look after 2 coats. I absolutely love them. Before I encapsulate these nails, I'm just going to apply some of that step 2, which is the activator, which is going to make sure that glue dries. I'm not really sure what this product is. I just know that it helps penetrate the nail and make sure that there is no wet glue when you go to file. And as you guys can see, the more of the activator I add, the colors just pop out so much. They become so vibrant. I don't think I've ever done a set of nails that were this bright. Like, I feel like they probably could have glowed in the dark, to be honest with you. Okay, so guys, this is definitely giving me tequila sunrise. I just cannot get over these. So after we do that layer of activator, I don't know what happened to the clip of me applying clear acrylic on top of these nails using the same kind of method, but I did apply clear acrylic just so that I wouldn't mess up the powder underneath. And this is what they look like with the clear acrylic, nice and thick but not too thick. And that is after they have been filed and buffed. So once my nails are filed and buffed, I have these really cute black butterfly stickers, and I've used these before and I really like them. So for this video, I forgot which way I like to apply my nail stickers. So I tried doing matte top coat. I was not having good luck. I tried doing base coat, wasn't having good luck. I tried just buffing them, which is what this nail is, and I had okay luck. Like, the stickers definitely stuck to this one, but they acted like they didn't want to at first. So yeah, I'm still trying to figure out what the best method for me is going to be when it comes to applying stickers, because I can't lie, I do struggle a little bit. Okay, so for the second nail, I went ahead and applied this iGel Beauty foil glue. And sorry I'm out of frame. I promise I get in frame at some point. And I found like this method with the foil glue actually worked out really well for me. I enjoyed it. I thought it was really nice that it kind of gave the stickers something sticky to stick to, if that makes any sense. Like, it wasn't slick, which made it really easy for them to kind of stay on my nails. And yeah, so once that's done, it's already cured, so all I have to do is just put a top coat on top of those. And then next, I'm just going to show you guys how I use the foil glue for my thumbnail. And with this foil glue, it doesn't come with instructions, but I do just cure it in my nail lamp for 60 seconds and then let it sit for a second, and then it's good to go. And sorry guys, I was just trying to decide on which sticker to use. I love these black butterfly ones. I got these from the Attitude shop, of course. And I'm sad because this kind of sheet's running out, so I think I'm gonna get another set. Okay, yeah, and so once I have all my stickers on, you guys saw how I put the first one on, so you don't have to see the second one. Once I get my stickers on, I am going to take my Mia's Secret nail resin, and this is just my favorite rhinestone glue to use. I'm putting on these just one singular orange, neon orange little nail crystal. I was out of frame completely, but yeah, I went ahead and put that on. I kind of wish I would have used a black one. I feel like that would have been really cool, but yeah, I know for next time. So I'm taking my favorite Babe Nail matte top coat, and I am just going to go ahead and top coat these nails. I do go over my stickers all the way completely and just make sure that they're fully top coated, because sometimes the stickers want to kind of hang out and they kind of want to lift. So after you top coat, they might still be lifted. So you just want to make sure you really go over your stickers and make sure they're really pressed down into the nail. And I do apologize for you guys having to listen to my raspy voice this whole time. I thought I wasn't going to talk the whole time, but here we are. Alright, so once we go ahead and put our matte top coat on, you guys will see I'm kind of just trying to be careful and go around the little nail crystals, because I don't want them to get top coat on them or they will completely lose their shine and honestly be pointless. And one thing I will say is, if you notice my cuticles look a little weird, it is the nail glue that's underneath of it. And this is what they look like when they're done. And you guys, I absolutely loved how these turned out. This gave me such a cool look. I love that there's so many different colors and it gives it so much dimension. This was definitely one of my favorites. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys love it. I loved doing this one. This was so quick and easy. It literally took me like under an hour. And guys, this is what my nails look like when I took the nails off. There was absolutely no pain. The only thing is it did leave a really sticky, tacky layer on my nails, but that's it. And there's the nails once they're pulled off. Have a good day, you guys.